I'm Bryce McPartland, and I'm the owner and founder of McPartland Law Offices. I grew up here in Central Washington, grew up on the family farm. My parents had 7 kids, so we were the farm labor. We grew up working hard, pulling weeds out of fields, thistles out of alfalfa, digging ditches. You're out there for many, many hours, and that's very much how we run our law firm, how we try to represent our clients. We're constantly trying to get a successful outcome for them, no matter what that takes.
We were scared. We didn't know what to expect. It was something that just kind of slammed on us when we were lost in terms of where we needed to go, who to get help from.
So I kind of reached out to a friend. She said, let me make a phone call, Beth. And I said, oh, that would be great. She said, be at Bryce McPartland's office in an hour and a half. We met Bryce McPartland for the first time, and it was on his day off. It was a Saturday.
Bryce came in with his basketball clothes on, so he was at practice, probably with his kids. He left his family to meet strangers like us.
He was a good, hardworking man, and it was obvious.
We contacted at least 5 different lawyers, and nobody seemed interested. And then when I talked to Mr. McPartland, he said, we'll see what we could do, and then the ball started rolling. They listened to me, believed me, and basically fought for me from that point on. There was no time that I could never get a hold of them, and I can pick up the phone and call them anytime. To have somebody in your corner, they made me feel that much more at ease.
Different cases have different demands, but all of our cases are important to the people who we're trying to help. We've helped thousands of people win their cases that other law firms may have turned away, cases that other law firms wouldn't touch, cases that maybe other law firms didn't necessarily have the courage to pursue. We look forward to continuing to do that. We've got a track record of success, and it's worked out for many, many clients. If you're a person who's been injured, harmed by somebody else, if you're a person who was injured on the job, we're going to bring that same work ethic that's been instilled in us from our experiences on the farm to help you win your case.